is up, you guys? It is Arnold over here, and in today's video I'll try and keep it brief. I will discuss one issue that oftentimes happens when we go and quote customers with regards to the renovation and resurfacing of their pools. So when mentioning conversion from your conventional marbelite to fiberglass, a lot of customers may be apprehensive to the fact that they don't want to go the fiberglass route because they are aware that older pools of theirs, or maybe their family members' pools and such, started to delaminate from the pool structure. So what I'm referring to with regards to delamination is, if you go look at a fiberglass pool, the sides of the pool starts to pull away from the structure. All right. So this happens normally because the ceiling has been done incorrectly, and oftentimes right there where your coping is or your bricks are, they go right up on the top there with the fiberglass and then seal right around it. All right. Over a couple of years, what may occur is that your sealant will start to wear off and starts being eaten by the chemicals found in your swimming pool. So if the pool starts to delaminate like that and water goes in behind it, you can imagine obviously that the fiberglass will start to push away, and then of course you're going to have hollow spots in your pool, you're going to have the fiberglass essentially being compromised, and then you're going to have to redo the pool again. Okay, so what we do is, when renovating a pool, you'd want to ensure that of course you go and grind into the pool structure right around, and you just grind it at like a 45-degree angle so you can actually tuck in the fiberglass. Once it's tucked in, you will seal it off with a elastonite, which is essentially a fiberglass putty. And once that's done, you can have some peace of mind with regards to that will never delaminate. And that's what you want to look out for. So when redoing your pool, you want to ensure that of course that fiberglass is always tucked in. And second to that, if you are not lifting the paving, obviously you'll be grinding underneath it. Alternatively, when redoing the coping for a customer as well, and we put down the bullnose coping around the edging of the pool, then you're going to put down the fiberglass first. You're going to put down the fiberglass, put it over, make like a little lip, and then you're going to put the coping on top of that. That will ensure that your fiberglass stays in place. Now also, with that being said, guys, your fiberglass would tend to last you about 15 to 20 years easily, prior to you actually having to maybe repaint the pool. But it's very seldom that your fiberglass goes in cracks and such as well. Just remember, your paint is isophilic as well, so when that time comes, you can just paint your pool again. So it's a lot more cost effective. In the long term, it's also better with regards to the maintenance issues on the pool as well. You spend a lot less on chemicals too, so these are the things to consider as well. So today I'm addressing the delamination issue for you guys. If you have any questions or any concerns and such, or just wanted to receive general info with regards to that, comments on the video below, or just pop us a DM. Even WhatsApp us on the number provided on the bio, and let's see if we can help you guys out in the future with regards to a pool renovation. Have a good one.